my name's Ashley and welcome to Big Hat Bushcamp. Today we're going to cook a very simple dessert. We're going to cook an apple crumble. So we've got 5 apples here today because we're going to cook for 5 people. So it's roughly one apple per person. Don't waste time peeling the apples. All you need to do is core them, chop them up, chuck them in the Dutch oven, and then you need about half a cup of sugar. It's completely to your taste, so add more or less if you feel you need to, and it obviously depends on the apples. So we're going to make our crumble by using half a pack of butter, 2 cups of flour, a cup of oats, half a cup of sugar, but again that's completely to your taste, and a pinch of salt. So we put them all in the bowl. You can use your spatula or your hand to mix them together. Make sure it's the right consistency and add it to the top of your apples, and then we put it on the fire with the lid and bake it for about 20 to 40 minutes, just like we would the pasta bake or the bread if you've seen our other videos. Okay, so to cook the crumble we need to prepare the fire to have a bed of embers rather than putting it on large chunks, and we take the large chunks of wood and put them on top of the Dutch oven, and that cooks the crumble from all round. Okay, so crumble's looking good. Bit of custard, and that'll be perfect. There you go. Let's tuck in, see what it tastes like. Really good. Perfect from the campfire.